Is it even open? You want to go to the beach? On the scooter? Okay. We're gonna go get the scooter right now. We're good.
Que no puedo porque saben que las veo de varios diamonds en el pecho. Son los que los este viejo con la mirada al 100, los pies puestos en el
Cáiganle, cáiganle.
Beautiful run, Rainbow Harbor.
You can ride for free?
What's that?
You can ride for free?
Children ride for free.
How much is the adults?
Adults, you want to ride for free? No, you don't.
No, adults, how much?
25.
25, okay.
Yeah. Have you guys for free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just went on the,
You know, throughout the day though.
yeah?
1:30, 3 p.m., 4:30, 6 p.m., 7:30.
Okay, cool, thank you.
And night tours are the best.
Okay, thanks.
How much is it?
Kids are for free, but adults 25. Yeah.
The other one's 15.
Yeah, but this one you see sea lions. Meanwhile, they ride the bike. I'm just gonna be chilling here on the beach, enjoying the view and the sun and the buildings. I'm just here by myself on this bench. I'm right in front of this island here. There's another island over there. Like a little baby island. It's so pretty. So nice.
Hey, there's another one over there. There's a lime over there. Come on, let's go.
Where are we going, Liam? We're late to our reservation to ride these swans. To ride these swans. So we have a reservation at 12:36 for 1 hour riding these, and Liam's really excited. This was an unplanned little trip on a Sunday evening. So I'm excited because I've never ridden one of these swans. So let's see how it goes.
Are we ready?
Why? Come on.
One side.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna go with you.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. Súbete pues.
You go right here. We have to go in the front, huh? To pedal?
Here.
Help us.
Look, Liam. Liam. Say hi. Say hi, look.
Hi.
You're riding the swan. You like it? You like it? Yeah.
I need water. Daddy.
It's like a workout, huh?
Daddy. Come on, water.
Right here.
Huh? Daddy.
Oh, look, there's ducks.
Oh, snap.
There's duckies.
Let's get them. Let's get them, Leo. Let's get a dog.
Let's catch up to them. My legs are dead. They went under the water. They went memes. They're under there? You think you can see them? No, it's too green, huh? The water's too green. waterfall. I mean, that little water thing over there.
Wanna get wet? Look, Liam, over here.
Oh, there's also something.
Over here. Oh.
Daddy, Mom, one. There was. I think them.
They probably brought those on
Another.
themselves.
Oh, another. What?
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 What is it?
That don't read that.
Trash?
I did.
Ew, trash. Okay, we are heading towards the aquarium and a whole family of ducks. Look it. Oh my god, how cute. They're all gonna get scared once we get over there. They're all under that tree right there. Look at that cute little bridge. Michelle and Liam, once we're done, we could walk over here to see the ducks and then go over that bridge.
Look at this duck, he's gonna fall off.
Look, I know, for real, that little duck right there. He's trying to go warn his family.
Look.
I know. He's so close. He's like, y'all don't scare me.
Should we go that way?
Who do y'all think you are?
Should we go that way?
Look, there's a lot of ducks over there.
Oh, we'll go like that.
Okay, we'll go around then. This huge building.
Hey, come over here,
This is a
Liam.
hotel, huh?
Yeah.
Mommy, Daddy.
Yeah, there's mommy and daddy ducks.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mama, Daddy.
Let me see, you have a life vest on? You have a chaleco on? Ooh, you look so cute and safe. What? Yeah, water. Yeah, now you can see a little bit through the water, but it's really green, huh? It's ugly. It's green, just like the Long Beach, huh? Just how the Long Beach beach is, it's all green and nasty and polluted and yucky. Huh, Liam?
Another.
Say hi, Baba. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. We're arriving the duck village. We just don't want to scare them, so we're gonna show up a little bit slower, a little quieter, because then they're all gonna run away, and then I want to get a good look at them. Just don't get too close. Maybe start turning a little bit. Start turning this way to the right.
Not fast.
Yeah, we can't go fast because then they're gonna get scared. Okay, stop.
They jump on you?
I know. Then they come attack us. Like we come in a gang. What you gonna do now? Look at them. They're not even scared. They're used to it already.
Oh, nice. Oh, maybe that.
Míralo más. Look at Liam. Some are sleeping. Some don't even care. They're like, you ain't gonna get out of this water.
Why for another?
They know we're not gonna get off the boat. They're smart. We can't go under the bridge, huh? It's too small. I don't think we'll fit under the bridge.
What do you guys think? We'll make it?
Do you guys think we're gonna make it under the bridge? I don't think so. This boat's pretty.
Boats.
Oh yeah, duh.
A mess.
It says no boats. I'm like, that looks pretty small. Like, you know, it's too short.
Oh, no.
The driver reverse?
Oh, no, mess.
The Swan is pretty tall.
Ah!
I hope I gave a good image of how tall the boat is, but it would not fit under there. But I didn't read the sign, no boats. Liam, no pushing. Damn, that one is big. That one looks like an eagle. What the hell?
What is it doing?
I don't know, but it looks like he's the
He's
king.
almost trying to attack, huh?
Yeah, he looks like he's like mad. Like, what's
Trying to make
cracking?
himself look bigger, huh?
Yeah. He's like, I'm the big boss here.
Oh, no,
See, look, the boats would not fit under there. It looks like a statue, like, ni se mueve.
Let's go get him?
Yeah, let's go scare him. You know, when the ducks look innocent, you don't want to mess with them, but when they try to act all big and bad, it's kind of like, oh yeah, let me see if you ain't scared now. Let's get closer.
Yeah, he's almost trying to get at his girl.
Probably, huh? Or he's probably just trying to dry up his wings, because do you guys see that? Like, doesn't zoom in that closely, but
No,
he's just standing there.
Probably just doing that to
He has his beak all, yeah, he has his beak all high up, his chest all pumped up. You see his wings all spreaded out? You see that?
Daddy, I farted.
Ooh, shaking that tail. You farted, Leo?
Yeah.
Ew. He's just like doing that for like a long ass time already.
Daddy.
It's weird. There's more over here.
Daddy.
I was gonna say more chickens.
Daddy.
More ducks.
Daddy. What this?
Look, he does not. Oh, and now he's like poking at his feathers, but.
Daddy.
Still there.
That way.
You wanna go that way?
Yeah.
Alright, I guess we won't scare you, buddy. Next time we will. Tell him, next time we will scare you. Look at this one.
Ooh, right on.
Hi, little ducky. This one doesn't even look like a duck. It looks like a chicken.
Chicken.
A chicken.
Chicken.
It looks like a chicken.
No.
Look, it even moves his head like a chicken.
Chicken.
Look, it's even moving inside like a chicken. Quack, quack, quack. Look, got out. There's fishes in the water, Leon. You see them? So cute. They're so little.
No.
They're so little. We're like, oh, there's not gonna be any little fish in here. It's like a man-made pond, right? But of course they put the ducks in there. So I was like, there's not gonna be any fish, but these fishes look like they, were born and raised in these waters because they're super tiny. They look like the little tadpole fishy looking kind because they're so small. Well, tadpoles are frogs, right? Well, I don't know, but they're super small, super cute. But I don't see any more anymore. Look at that. Oh my god, I thought that was fake. That's real.
Oh, that's fake.
That's real. It's moving.
Oh.
It's freaking moving its beak. He's one of those big old birds.
Eso no es de verdad.
It's real.
Ese de ahí, ese pájaro.
It's freaking moving.
De los esos bien grandotes.
It's one of those that like from Nemo that they open their mouth and they fit like a whole bunch. They're like their mouth is stretchy.
Es una garza, gra.
Yeah.
Hey, let me.
Like a turkey. It's like picking into its
Shit.
into its feathers.
Ese sí iba a atacar,
Sí, te dije. Why would? Ay. Oh my god. It turned on like kind of to like look at us
Es
like.
como una garza.
Oh my god. This is scary.
¿Cómo?
It's bigger than it looks.
Que le hace así.
I mean, it's smaller
¿Cómo le
than
hace?
it looks. Wait, is that how it goes?
Tiene la cabeza para un lado, mira.
Okay, it's bigger in person and it looks smaller in camera. That's what I meant to say. Yeah. Oh my god, what did it do, Leon? What did it do?
¿Es de verdad?
It's real, dude.
Fake.
No, it's not fake.
Why? It's fake. Not fake.
No, it's
Fake
not
or real?
fake. It's real.
Oh, fake.
This bird, I don't know what it is, but it's super smart. It's just following us with his eyes.
Mommy,
Ay, chingada.
oh, mommy.
No, ya se fue.
No, it's not.
No, gra. Es una garza.
A ver, Leon,
Mira, ¿cómo tiene la mirada?
go closer.
Pues aquí en la cámara ni se ven tan grandes.
Mommy.
¿No?
¿No?
So it turned out to be a
¿Ah?
real bird. You're saying it was fake, It's real. Look, it flew from the tip of that thing into the water.
Sí, es garza.
It's huge. It just looks small on camera.
¿No pican esos?
Mommy.
Pecan.
Sí.
Mommy.
Huh?
This, what?
Yeah, look, it's scared.
Mommy.
It's scared, it's trying to run away from us.
Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy.
No quiere.
Yeah?
Oh, mommy. Look here. Oh, mama.
It's starting to look at us from the corner of the eye.
Mama.
Like,
No quieren, ¿verdad?
these mofos, why do they keep following me?
Si yo levanto mis manos, I'll run. See? Told you.
Liam thinks that running up this light hill, he could roll down. I just didn't record it on time, but he was trying to roll down. Maybe with this hill, he'll be able to roll down a little bit more. But that shit was funny. Look at this lazy ass. He got another razor just so that he won't walk to the car, which the car is literally right there by that lunch truck. So literally crossing this street here, this light down there, right there is the car. He literally got a razor for that. Oh. Level lazy at 100. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're at less than 10 subscribers to do our first giveaway, so make sure you guys are subscribing, like my videos, and leave a cute comment. Today was a very fun day, very unexpected plans. We got to, well, I didn't ride the scooters or the razors, but my son did and my boyfriend did, and we got to ride the Swans. We got to ride the Swans and just walk around Long Beach and cruise and drive around. I didn't get to do a proper intro into the video because I didn't really think we were gonna do anything, and if I thought we were gonna do anything, we were just gonna like walk around, and I was like, I'm not gonna record that, but it just ended up being a very fun Sunday with a lot of little adventures, so I thought I'd record it and, you know, post it and just have it as a memory, you know, with our son, and just have those things there. So I just thought I'd record it and have it as memory. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye guys.